entertainment plays an important role in our life, but when it comes to Goan cinema, we Goans can't stay without it. Hello and welcome you everyone today for the exciting episode where we are going to meet the entire team, people behind the making of the movie 7 Days. Hello and welcome you all on our show. I welcome Mr. Siddharth Turi, who is the VFX editor, Mr. Atmaram Sawant, and the music director of the movie, Mr. Fraser Pacheco. Welcome you all in the show. Okay, my question will be to Mr. Shashank, Siddharth, sorry, Mr. Siddharth. Okay, you and Atmaram, you have been the VFX team or editor team of the movie. How important role does VFX play in this movie?
This is first Konkani movie in Goa. That's
which VFX?
Which VFX are bought. This is first time.
Okay.
In Konkani movie.
Okay. So experience like, कशे तुम्ही start केला, like how it was all about?
It's one day Joyvin told us कि he want to blast something, car or anything, bike or something. Then later on he spoken to editor Atmaram that he want to do car blast in Juari Bridge.
Okay.
Actually, this happened 2 years back, one and a half, 2 years back.
Okay.
So we just had a casual meeting. Joyvin saying like he wanted to do some VFX related action kind of a movie. So then we said okay, let's do it, like, because even we wanted to try something different in Konkani cinema. Yeah. So he wanted to do some out and out commercial thing.
Okay.
So that reason we came up with this kind of stuff. Like. Okay. So there is a car blast, there is a on the bridge, Zuari Bridge. Then there is one more VFX scene wherein the car has been jumping from the building to the ground, and then there is a car blast.
So when the idea came of blasting the cars, so we all thought we make a movie and just blast the car and something like new, innovative. Or the movie theme was like that.
Movie theme was like that because that was action related film. So that needed this kind of VFX. Because it added more things to the film.
देवान 100 दिसांनी वो संसार घडलो आनी 7व्या दिसा विसव घेतलो, पूण आतां 7 सेकंडांनी वो संसार बदलतलो.
As we know, you have done the movie MS, and it has won the Best Regional Film Award in Rajasthan Film Festival 2014. So, working with 7 Days, I want to working with Joyvin. I want to know your set of points, like how it was. You tell me.
Yeah, actually, first meeting with Joyvin was back some 4 years back, I guess. That was through MMS.
Okay.
I had edited the film.
Yeah.
MMS. So then later on he wanted to do one more film. So then we came again together, and then this is the thing. Like, this is the relationship which we.
So this is the second movie you have done.
Yeah, this is the second movie done for Joyvin.
Okay.
Yeah.
And whenever we remember Mr. Siddharth, he has done, one thing comes to our mind: Thangavali, Chennai Express. Like,
yes,
you have done VFX editor for the Chennai Express movie also.
3D modeling and compositing work.
Correct. So what is like? See, we have seen a lot of VFX in Bollywood.
Yeah.
Getting it to Goan cinema, to Konkani movies, and you are the first people who have said this, like in Goa or in Konkani cinemas. You all have set the mark. Like 7 Days is the first movie where we have used as VFX. So how do you feel when you all be the first one set the mark? Yeah.
It definitely feels good, like, because we are trying. This is not the best. Best thing is yet to come. Yeah, this is just the beginning.
But we have seen the promos; they are amazing.
Yes, thank you. Yeah, this is what I'm saying. This is just a start. So from here, let's see where it goes.
Okay.
Yeah, because Konkani films are just developing right now.
True.
before, some 4 years back, there were very few Konkani films which were coming. Recently, this 3 years, 2 years down the line, there are many films which are coming and good quality work is happening here in Goa. So
Correct.
hopefully another 5-6 years down the line.
Correct.
Let's play this game in our style.
So, as coming to you, to me, Adrish, like you're the Goan face.
Yeah.
To me, Goekara represent karta. Whether it is Goan music asu, Goan, the origin of Goa. From Katras, Amchi Katra asu, Amchi songs asu. So, how does it feel for you to, work in the second movie with Joyvin, which is 7 Days? Your experience.
The first one was being MMSS, he was also part of it. In that I had done only the background music.
Okay.
So this time he asked me like, you'll do the music as well. So I said like, okay. Well, so it was like, Joven is into this line, a lot of our regional films, these Konkani films, and he's into this theatre scene also from quite long. So like, as far as I know him, as far as his work goes, he's like very professional about his work. And it's like, I cannot say that he's a tough director to work with, but yes, whatever he has in mind, he gets it. So it's my duty was to like satisfy his taste with my work, whatever. That's what I have done in this movie.
It's very true, actually. We'll continue our talks with the team of 7 Days. We'll be right back after a short break. Welcome you all back on the show. We are with the team of 7 Days, and we have got lots more to hear about the making of this movie. So my question will be to Mr. Fraser. Sir, तुम्ही म्हाका exactly सांगू शकता तुमची जी movie म्हणजे 7 Days about the songs, तुमची जी songs, the making of the song, केन्ना कितें जाता artist आसता न्ही तेंचे जे song तेंचे मायंडान आसता, okay, the song is there in his mind and then तुम्ही तेका narrate करता. But how these 3 songs which is there in the movie, I would like to know something about that.
पिक्चरान 3 कांतारां आसात. एक कांतारान सगळे एक्टर आमचे जॅकब, केविन सगळे आसात, राजदीपा. सो ते कांतार पिक्चराचे निमाणे दाखयला, लायक आफ्टर द सक्सेस ऑफ द स्टोरी वॉट एक्झॅक्टली इज बीन पोर्ट्रेड, कितें दाखयला पिक्चरान, कितें दाखोवंक सोदता तें फायनली जातकूच तें दाखयता. एक कांतार तें दाखयता. एक कांताराक 3 पार्ट आसात. तितून एक भुरग्याचेर आसा, भुरग्यांक कसो टॉर्चर करता, एक मागीर वस्तरीचेर आसा, आनी एक कितें विशयाचेर आहा. सो तेका 3 पार्ट आहा. आनी एक कांतार आहा तितून एक स्टोरी आहा, लायक लव स्टोरी. सो एक वस्तरीचे कितें जाता तितून पिक्चरान वायट जाता. सो तेंचे दे गोईंग बॅक इन टायम, लायक तेंचे पास्टान कितें जालेलें, कशी ती मोगान आसली, मागीर कोणें आनी तेंकां कितें केलें, अशें लायक एक कथा तशें आसा.
सो आमी सांगू शकता की ह्या मुवीन आमकां रोमॅन्टिक सॉंगूय मेळटले, प्लस आमकां
रोमॅन्टिक
थीम रिलेटेड.
थीम रिलेटेड ते निमाणे जे ग्रुप कांतार आहा ते थीम रिलेटेड.
ओके.
आनी रोमॅन्टिक एक कांतार आसा. सो लायक आनी एक कांतार आहा ते लायक बेसिकली वी आर गिविंग लायक व्हॉट यू कॉल लायक मोरल, वी आर सेटिंग अ एग्जांपल लायक व्हॉट.
देवान 6 दिसांनी हो संवसार घडलो आनी 7व्या दिसा विसव घेतलो. पूण आतां 7 सेकंडांनी हो संवसार बदलतलो.
हो तुजो डबल रोल सोंपपाक पावला.
डबल रोल न्हू, स्टायल ती म्हजी. माजोर जेन्ना उंदराक मारता तेन्ना खेळून खेळून मारता. Let's play this game in our style.
So आम्ही सांगू शकता आमच्या ऑडियन्सांक लाईक तुम्ही आमची ती मूवी 7 days is not only for the VFX and we can watch it because of the romantic song which has been done by Fraser sir. My question will be to Atmaram sir. Okay, basically whenever we hear VFX and then it's like high budget. And Goa is still starting with Konkani movies. अजून आम्ही खंयतरी असा म्हणजे स्टार्ट जाता अजून जावंक ना पावंक ना बॉलिवूड टॉलिवूड हॉलिवूड तेंच्यांनी वयर पावला कोंकणी movies are yet coming up. So जेन्ना VFX आमी आयकता अरे बाबा ह्या मुवीन VFX आसा very different like you know how you and Siddharth both of you all managed to set up with Joyvin with this exciting concept.
Yeah, because even we were excited to work on something like this. Because we wanted to start our own thing. We just started our partnership 3 years back. So we both were in Mumbai working. I was into assistant, I was into direction thing. He was into post production, 3D animation, all that kind of stuff. So then 3 years back we came together and wanted to start up something in Goa.
True.
So to start up in Goa, we need to start from root level.
Very true.
Yeah. For that reason, let's go, chalo, let's make it.
So you
Because-
become,
yeah,
so we
yes,
can
yeah.
remember that Mr. Atmaram and Siddharth are the mark setters for VFX getting in Goa and Konkani movies,
Yeah.
thanks to Joyvin Fernandez,
Yes, yes,
because
definitely.
he's the
Thanks.
director of the movie.
Yeah.
As we even know from when we were talking to Joyvin, he said, "Maka kide na kam. Like I don't want my movie to earn in lots, but kitle and how much I have put into it, people should appreciate it.
Yeah,
and itlan
definitely.
maka परत येयला आनी नाका काय."
Definitely.
So what you say? What is तुमचं मत किती आसा? Like आमची ही movie 7 days खंय मेरेन पावू शकता like?
Definitely it has a potential to reach lots of audience. As I said, this is just the initial stage of Konkani cinema. So, आता आमकां audience we have to capture the audience because there are few people coming into theatres and watching Konkani films. So there is no much of audience gathering for Konkani cinema.
True.
So that has to be changed. Then only.
We have spoken about this in the previous interview that आम्ही गोंयकार जावन कोण फुडें
फुडें
सरना
सरना, हय.
means
कोंकणी
कोंकणी
film,
सिनेमा
हय,
प्रमोट
promote
करपाक.
करपाक, हय.
We go for the movie Bollywood movies.
Yeah, we go for Bollywood movies, we go for Hollywood movies, we
Yeah.
go for
all
other
right.
movies.
Yeah,
and-
but when it comes to Konkani movies,
Yeah.
like we know, but thanks to people like y'all who is getting all this kind of VFX effects and everything, then amka magir we also feel it interesting.
Yeah, yeah.
Like you know, something which no one can say that Goa is lacking behind.
Yeah, definitely there is lots of potential, but the thing is, if there is no returns, then it becomes little bit inconvenience for the person to do next project.
After definitely looking at this interview, I think so the audience will definitely go and you know watch the movie in the
Yes,
theaters
definitely.
because we have come to know so many things from the team. Exactly, I'm talking about whether it is VFX effects, whether it is music. With previous interview, we have come to know about how the making of the entire team had spoken with us. It's been a brilliant concept, and I congratulate the entire team.
Thank you.
आम्ही कॉमन मनीस रे आमका दिसता सरकार येता पळय तो आमचे बरे करतलो खंयचेच सरकार कोणाचे कल्याण करपाक येवना फक्त आपले बरे करपाक सिस्टमान रावन सिस्टम कसो चेंज करपाक जाता पळय ते दाखोवया तांकां आज एक कॉमन मॅन कितें करपाक शकता पळय ते आनी कोण करपाक शकना
समाजातलो कचरो साफ करतलो जाल्यार पयलीं आपली घरांतल्यान सुरू कर
परत एकदा येवकार तुमकां We are with the team of 7 Days, and as we have come to know many things about the makings of 7 Days, I want to know about the release dates and their experiences. I will come to the music director, Mr. Faisal. Can you tell us about the release and the dates which have come with the movies?
It's releasing on 6th in the evening at Ravindra Bhavan in Margam.
Okay.
So basically, actually, this film has been going on from last 2 years. That like somehow it got delayed due to some various factors. But finally, I'm happy that it's releasing. Joyman had a lot of other schedule also because he's into a lot of other things also. So basically, finally, it's releasing at Ravindra Bhavan. That's on 6th.
Okay. Audience, to note this down that you will have to go to Ravindra Bhavan Margao on 6th evening and watch this movie 7 Days.
गुना
अरे किती झालं रे
आगो मिनिस्टर चोर गुंडा जायत पूण आमकां आधार दितलो समाज सुदरायतलो पूण लोक स्वताच फटवता आतां सिस्टम चेंज करपाचो वेळ आला आतां हो सिस्टम चेंज करपाचो वेळ आला
असू फाल्यां सांग
सीमा किडनॅप केलो
I want to, Siddharth, you and Madam, you also. Can you all please share me the experience of working on 7 Days? Basically, you have done so many Marathi shows, movies as the assistant director or the editor. And how was your working in Goa with this movie? As I know you have this is your second movie with Joyvin, so tumche anubhav all together. Can you please tell me how it was?
See, this is now first VFX movie. We don't know what is the feedback of people. Yeah. But tomorrow is the release, no? So
We'll come to know exactly how it is.
The reaction of people.
The reaction of the stories.
Definitely people are going to like it because the promos are very good. I wish the entire team of 7 Days very best of luck, and you all came to our show and gave us such a brief about the movie. Once again, guys, please go and watch this movie at Ravindra Bhavan at 7:30 onwards on 6th of June. Thank you all of y'all. It was great having you all here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
देवान 100 दिसांनी हो संवसार घडलो आनीक 7व्या दिसा विसव घेतलो पूण आतां 7 सेकंडांनी हो संवसार बदलतलो
हो तुझो डबल रोल सोंपपाक पावला
डबल रोल न्हू स्टायल ती म्हजी माजोर जेन्ना उंदराक मारता तेन्ना खेळून खेळून मारता Let's play this game in our style.